I'm Ben O'Connell, and we sort of met Stolly through my wife Millie's connections through basketball, actually. We sat down, had a good meeting with him, got all our ideas on paper. Ryan went away. About a week later, he came back with this fantastic 3D modelling, and we were just blown away by what it could turn into.
Having the 3D model, I could kind of start to see what the process would be, so that was so helpful.
Although it's not the last time.
It sounds incredibly lame, but it has been life-changing for us. It's just been so amazing to have this beautiful space, not just for us, but for our families as well.
I would definitely be recommending Stolly and Adapt It. Start to finish, you know, Ryan and the team at Adapt It were supportive, they were clear with their communication, and the vision was more than we ever expected. So if we're looking to go to stage 2, we're definitely going to be going to Ryan and Adapt It.